Princess House offers amazing rewards in period 9. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. In period 9 only, new consultants that join Princess House with personal sales totaling $750 as their first active period receive this Marbella Bake Store dish set valued at $136.90. And in period 9 only, new consultants that join Princess House with personal sales totaling $1,500 as their first active period receive this Vida Sana high power blender valued at $639.95. Additionally, in period 9 only, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period receive this Vida Sana cold press juicer valued at $399.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.